to 175. And Bryce and his team are not doing 175 right there, but they are showing you the amazing stability of this incredible helicopter platform as they back up and fly backwards across the runway area. The airframe gives Lifeline the ability to get places faster, all in an effort to better serve those in need. Now watch as Bryce and his team continue to make their maneuvers here out in front of you, showing you how the helicopter is so stable. They're going to depart off to the right.